jasmine rice. It's so delicious. Are you?
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi everyone, I have my cousin Lalita here with me again today and look at what we made. This is authentic แกงเขียวหวาน which is sweet green curry.
So green curry we typically eat with rice or with Thai rice noodles. Either way, it's amazing.
This recipe is meant for 7 to 8 packs, so just reduce the quantity by half if there's only 4 of you. Let's take a look at our overall ingredient. First up, I have here 1 kilo of whole chicken. You can use any part of the chicken that you like, and please discard the extra fat. Kaffir lime leaves, palm sugar, big chili, fish sauce, santan or coconut cream, winter melon, Thai basil leaves, long bean, shrimp paste or belacan, store-bought green curry paste. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this right from scratch. The belacan or shrimp paste is actually optional. Please note that the store-bought curry paste doesn't include the shrimp paste. That's why we're adding it here.
This is our winter melon, all peeled and ready. We're just going to cut it into smaller pieces. Let me remove this easy to see. We're going to remove the seeds. So just cut this off. Then we're going to cut it into bite size. So not too thick because it cooks, not too thin, sorry, because it cooks way too fast and gets all mushy. So just right. Okay, so de-seed it this way. Remove all the seeds. And then cut it. So for our long beans, we're going to remove the head, and we don't want this. And then cut this in half and then put it together. 2 inches? Yeah, 2 inch. No, I think maybe an inch. Let me try. Yeah, about this size. For the chili, we're just gonna cut diagonally, mostly for a pop of color. So we're gonna remove the seeds after this, so there's no spiciness, because แกงเขียวหวาน is literally translated to green sweet curry. And for a key ingredient, we have Thai basil, not to be confused with hori basil, which is กะเพรา This is หัวระพา. We're gonna use the leaves. We're just gonna pluck, 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 and then we don't use the stem. This is all just for aromatics. พอแล้วมั้งเราไม่ใช้หมดทีจะใช้หมดไหมไม่หมดนิดนึง
Lalita is actually going back and cutting
Yeah, because I realized it was way too big, so
thick
in half.
double C.
Yeah, but make sure it's not too small because it gets really mushy really fast. So about this size is actually ideal.
Good to go. So let us start.
So what we're gonna do now is just heat up the coconut cream, and we're gonna use the thick part. So in coconut cream, it's like 2 parts. There's like the watery part and the creamy, heavy, thick part. So we're gonna use the thick part, and then we're gonna heat it up till it separates slightly. You'll know when it separates because you'll be able to see a little bit of oil form. So on low heat, just keep stirring. And this makes the coconut cream very aromatic. 200 grams of green curry paste into it. And we're gonna mix it till it comes together. This just wakes up the flavors of the green curry before adding all the liquid. So we are gonna stir fry it and just wake up all the nice aromatics and smells. If you guys can smell it, it smells amazing. And now it's time to add our chicken. And we're gonna coat the chicken. Make sure every piece is coated with the green curry. And then it's time to add our water. So what I'm using is just, I added some water into the box so I could get the whatever's left inside.
So nothing goes to waste.
Sorry.
Nothing goes to waste. Just add your water in the box, give it a good shake, and yeah.
We need to add more water.
If not,
A medium to high heat. We have to leave it until the chicken cooks. You don't have to stir it around too much because your chicken is gonna become all soft and it'll come apart. The chicken is about 70% done right now. We're gonna add our winter melon in. And again, you don't have to stir, just push it in. These will take actually not that long to cook. They soften up pretty fast. So I'm feeling like there's not enough liquid, so I'm just gonna add a bit more water. Not too much because we're still gonna add some more coconut cream into it. So here we have our palm sugar. We're just gonna add that in. Here we have our fish sauce. So for the sweetness and saltiness is entirely up to you. You can add as little or as much sugar or fish sauce as you like. Okay, so once your winter melon have softened, you'll add in the long beans and then we'll give it a taste test. This to me right now is perfect. It has saltiness, has sweetness, and the aromatics from the green curry paste is amazing. So again, the taste is entirely up to you. And once you're already okay with the taste, we're gonna add our basil leaf and our chili as our garnish. And that is it. Push it all in. Okay, so once we switch off the stove, we're just gonna finish it with a little bit more of coconut cream. Out to dig in. Ooh, look at the chicken. Chicken is still so juicy. It's so good. And it smells super good from the Thai basil leaf. Let's take the first bite.
Let us dig in. Curry. Get some gravy in there. That was a good bite.
It's sweet. It's salty. It's super aromatic from the basil leaf. It's
that is what I was gonna say. The basil leaf really like.
It is the key ingredient in the green curry.
It really bring it up a notch. Like mind blown. Mind blown.
And the winter melon is just nice and soft. So you have to get the right size and you have to cook it for the right time.
This video a like,
a big thumbs up
if you find it helpful. Share and subscribe to support me and to be notified when the next video is up. Until then, see you next time with a new Thai recipe. Bye bye.
Bye.